Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Went by our local Barnes and Noble today, and like I said, on the baseball and stuff like that, it's limit 2 per person. So I got my 2 limit right here. We picked up 2 fat packs of the Series 1. A lot of people are not buying these right now because Series 2 is about to drop in the next couple of days and might already be out in your area. But I'm lucky to find these cards in my area for retail costs, guys. So let's go ahead and jump on in. 40 cards in each pack. So we're going to go through 80 cards and look for relics and autographs right there. A lot of you people out there love to read those odds. So there you go. I'm going to hold that up for you guys. You can pause that, read it, look at it, whatever you want to do. Here we go. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. See if we can find anything cool, such as a relic or autograph. That would be awesome. I've never pulled any autos or relics out of these yet. So here we go. Starting off good with a rookie card. We've got our Nate Pearsons. That's pretty cool. We'll stick all our rookies to the side. We've got Vlad Guerrero Jr., Jesus Aguilar, Jake Odorizzi, Bryce Harper, Kirby Yates, Rockies team card, Brett Gardner, Austin Meadows. Let's just turn it this way since there's a lot of them. Yuli Gurriel, N. Kennedy, Shane Bieber. We got our Brady Singer rookie card right there, second rookie of the pack. Got Alex Verdugo, Patrick Sandoval, Miguel Rojas, Milwaukee Brewers team card. Got Shun Yamaguchi. Oh, we got a numbered card. What is it? Out of 499, we got Caleb Smith. A little icy foil style, I guess you want to call that. So that's pretty cool. Caleb Smith card, guys. Number 460 out of 499. So that's really cool. Definitely going to stick that up there. See, a lot of people are telling me, like, man, you got to stay away from the blasters and stuff. The hits are always in the fat pack. So that's pretty cool right there. We got Mike Clevenger, Sonny Gray, Albert Pujols. Who else we got? We got Gavin Lux, Future Scars card. That's pretty cool. Got Razel Iglesias, David Bodie, John Lester, Starlin Marte. We got the Playful Bout card. I think that's like automatically inserted into every pack. Freddie Galvis, Jacoby Jones, Justin Dunn. Got Monte Harrison's rookie card. We got Joey Bart, Dylan Carlson. We have a Mike McCollis, JD Martinez, Ahmed Rosario, Hector Neris, Harrison Bader, and the last one is the Strange Gordon right there, guys. All right, so the first fat pack didn't let me down, though. I'm just going to stick all of these right here to the side for now. All right, so we're going to do it like this. We got pack A. I'm going to stick that right there with all those rookies and what we consider the best card in that pack. And now we're going to go for pack B. And then at the end of the video, we'll go through what we got right here and see which pack was the best, pack A or B. And you guys can let me know down in the comments. So here we go. Pack B is open. Starting us off, we got Albert Lamar Jr. Got Justin Urias, Max Kepler, Luke Voigt, Johnny Cueto, Clayton Kershaw. We got Dansby Swanson. My sideways cards, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get turned. Got Justice Sheffield, Kevin Biggio. Here's an Orioles team card. Texas Rangers, Joey Wendell. Got a Get Up Mets Celebrate card. We have a Kevin Kiermaier, Marco Gonzalez, Wilson Ramos, Clayton Kershaw. I see a hollow foil coming up. We got Lois Gurriel Jr. Who is our foil? We got Chris Taylor of the Dodgers. So not numbered or anything like that. We're just gonna stick that to the side. It's gonna be probably the only thing that can compete with that right there, guys. We got Garrett Cole, Eloy Jimenez, Shohei Ohtani, What do we got? We got ourselves a Buck Farmer, Aristas Aquino. We got Jose Urquidy, Daniel Johnson. All right, so there's a rookie. Dalton Varsho, Santiago Espinal. All right, here we go. We got Keibert Ruiz, rookie. Ryan Mountcastle. Carlos Correa, Daniel Murphy. We got Brad Hand, Nomar Mazara, Lewis Brinson, Whit Merrifield, Austin Riley, Michael Taylor, Gio Urshela, and Francisco Mejia. All right, guys. So that was not too good of a pack, I wouldn't say, because there's not many rookies and no special hits or anything like that. So that was Pack B. So Pack A, we had, to start us off right off the get-go, we had a Nate Pearson rookie card. We got Dylan Carlson, Joey Bart, Monte Harrison, and Brady Singer right there, guys. Then in the middle of the mix, we got ourselves a Caleb Smith Icy Full Parallel, really cool card right there. Check that out. And it is numbered 460 out of 499, guys. So that is Pack A. Pack B, we got a couple of rookies, not many. We got Ryan Mountcastle, Keibert Ruiz, Santiago Espinal, Dalton Varsho, Daniel Johnson, and then we got a hollow foil right here of Chris Taylor, guys. So I'm going to say that Pack A was definitely the best pack with all that amount of rookies plus a numbered card right there being an icy foil. But the other pack was cool too, guys. So let me know down in the comments which pack do you think was the best. I personally think it was Pack A. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Peace.